What's up, everybody? Buckets World of Vegas here, coming back to you. I'm doing something different this time. I'm going to see if $200 on the rewards card is enough to start earning me comps at the Plaza Hotel. I'm going to do a series here. I'm going to hit up some different casinos that I haven't played at. Unfortunately, I've already earned comps at MGM properties and Caesars properties, so there's a few left that I'm going to try. I'm going to take a $200 bankroll in, run them through the slot machines, and see if I start getting offers. I may not follow up immediately. Today's Wednesday, August 23rd, 2023. So it might take a while before I start getting the offers, but it's a $200 bankroll. Here I go. So this is the first game I am choosing. Huff and Puff, not Huff and More Puff. And I'm putting my first $100 bill into the machine. I'm not going to film the whole thing. If I get some bonuses, I may throw those in there. But that's my first 100 in. Let's see what happens. Alright, so I wasn't really feeling the Huff and Puff. Went through a few spins and didn't hit anything worth a damn. So I brought my money over to... So I was down 39 bucks. Cash Express luxury line. We're gonna do 1 cent denom. If I hit any bonuses, you will see. Alright, so I did hit something. It doesn't look like much. But let's see where we're at. Feature triggered. I need a rebound because I'm not doing that well here. For the 150s, I guess, you know, that's better than nothing. So $7.50. You know, hey, it is what it is. It keeps me going. We're gonna keep moving on. Still have another 100 to go. Hopefully this keeps me going for a little bit. So I cashed out of the luxury line at 30 bucks. Ran it over here at $3 a spin. Hoping to hit on the top dollar. As you can see, I got nothing. So I'm 100 down. I'm gonna go for one more 100 and see if that is enough to earn us some comps. All right, so the second 100 is going into this brand new machine. This is Frankenstein. It's only been out for about a month or so. So here it is, my second and final 100 here at Plaza, and I'll let you know, is this gonna be enough to earn some comp rooms? I don't know what this is doing, but it looks like it hit a little something. So that 100 bucks is gonna net me something. Which should put me over 100. I'm kind of low rolling it here just as an experiment. So $53, which puts me up $41 on that 100, but overall down about 59 bucks. We're gonna keep going. Gonna try and earn those comps here at the Plaza Las Vegas. So I guess hitting those after hitting that on the first line give you some. That's another 30 bucks. It's all gonna add up to my my coin in at the end of the day. So on this particular round, I'm up 56 bucks, 57. Let's round that up. So that ultimately means I'm down 43 at the moment. Gonna keep going. All right, so I've moved over to Invaders from Planet Moolah, which I typically do okay on these machines. You can see I just took the $122 out of the Frankenstein and put it in here. I'll do a little bit of live play here. Start with a $1.25 a spin. See if it gets us anywhere. I got Rihanna playing right over my head, so I'm probably gonna get flagged on this video. But that's okay. I'm not monetized yet anyway, which could be changed if you just like and subscribe while you're watching. But yeah, so here we go. I'll come back when I hit any bonuses. Alright, so I've hit the free spins on this one. Not the biggest bet in the world, but man. Just keep climbing 15 free games. Need a good rebound here. Get me back up to the 200. I love these machines because it's cascading reels, and you have a chance of re-triggering with the cascade. So I'm up to $14 now. Hopefully this keeps going. Hopefully we get some of those good cows. 9 left. Come on, baby, give me a good one here. It'd be nice to rebound. I think it's done with me. 3 more after this one. Yeah, I don't see anything happening. Looks like 16 something is going to be the best that I got. $17. Unless I re-trigger. I could re-trigger here. 1 more. Alright. 7 more games. This doesn't look like it's going to be a huge win, but it's going to be something, you know. Keeps me going, and I'm good with that. It's good to see the wilds because the wilds typically cascade. Come on, let's do it again. Alright. Up to $20. That's good. Oh, that should have been better than that. 3 more after this one. Is it gonna trigger again? Is it gonna trigger again? Nope. Goes all the way across the screen. One more after this one. It may be done at 41-ish. $41. All right, 41 bucks. That's not a bad hit. I mean, for $1.25. I'll definitely take that. Oh, and I just spun again. All right. At least I got my money back on that one. All right, so now I'm up to 130.69. I'm down approximately 69 bucks. I think I'm gonna walk away from this machine and find somewhere else to put this ticket in. All right, so I moved over to Dragon Link with a maxed out major. The same ticket, 130.69. It's going in, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna chase that major. I'm gonna play this entire 130 out, and I'm gonna do this Matt Bridger style. If you're familiar with Matt Bridger's channel, if you're a slot player and you watch slot videos, you know Matt Bridger well. He has a system where he alternates 50 cents, $5, 50 cents, $5, 50 cents, $5, which equates to about $2.75 a spin. I'm gonna give it my best, and God, that'd be great. We'll come back if we hit any bonuses. All right, I'm gonna live play this the rest of the way out. It's only about 35 bucks left. Last bet was 50 cents. Here we go. Let's see a miracle here. $0.05 on a 50-cent bet. Come on, give me something good. Balls, balls, balls. All right, since I've basically got 2 spins left, I'll do 50 cents. Now I'll just spin it out with the last 2 spins at $5 a press. Did it work? Did it work? Depends on what that is, I guess. 12 bucks. Last big spin here. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. It's not gonna do it. I'm gonna choose dragon. All right, last chance. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, that was $200 through at the Plaza. I will follow up with you and I'll let you know if that was enough to earn me comps here at Plaza Hotel and Casino down on Fremont. So here's your update to the question. Is $200 gambling enough to earn comp rooms at the Plaza Hotel in downtown Las Vegas? There it is. That's the first offer I've gotten since the trip. The video was actually shot on August 23rd, 2023. Today is September 22nd, so almost exactly 1 month to the day the first offer got sent out. So hopefully this video proves that it's not as difficult as you would think to earn comp rooms in Las Vegas. The strip properties may be a little bit harder to earn rooms, but at least the Plaza in downtown is a start to get you there. In my experience, these resorts just want to know that you're a gambler, and once they get the inkling that you are a gambler, they'll start inviting you out to come stay at their properties because they want that money. And of course, as always, they'll get it. But anyway, hopefully that helps you guys out. Start somewhere. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are, and we'll see you later.